Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkhuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Asingeneni kuma-comment wenu bafethu ukuthi nitheni. Ubhuti lana uzams_ Cele uthi yabona mfowethu if ngafika uMiddendorf laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingadla kakhulu ngalama player awu-2 iKataro noSilva. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingawina ne-league. Umazinyo bafethu, let's be fair, good coach. Methola ama-resources right and wa-introduce Happy Mashiane that season i-Kaizer Chiefs yayidlala kahle kakhulu bafethu. Nguye i-under yena i-Kaizer Chiefs was a bit more stable compared to amanye ama-coach ake waba khona. I mean for the past 5 years ama-coach abekhona enzeni ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Lo muntu lo ufinishe ku-number 1 ku-league. Siyazi ukuthi they collapsed ama-last minute, but guess what? Izinto azenzile u-Kaizer Chiefs zinhle kakhulu. Uye ogcina ukubeka i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-number 2, right? Yeah, was it that guy? Yes, it was that guy. Ogcina ukubeka i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-number 2. Then after that, I think basayini uKevin Hunt, and then we saw what happened with Kevin Hunt and then the Kaizer Chiefs overall. But yeah, badinga i-coach strong, yabo. The most important thing with Kaizer Chiefs, they need a coach strong and a strong persona. The biggest thing would be persona a coach. Coach laba bakhona bafethu. I wish yazikhona into abantu abangazilandeli. I get amanye message labantu bathi uyithatha le nto isho bafethu kunama pre and post match conference wama coaches nama players go Kaizer Chiefs njalo every week akhona. So imedia into eyenzayo ukuthatha, so manibona nina manje kufa post or ku-kick off or kusokhala duma babakhotile bakhotha only 2 or 3 lines. Lo muntu lo ukhuluma boma 20 minutes and then baloku banikhiphela zona izitori esisodwa ne i-conference eyodwa, but bazonikhiphela yona ngezitori eziwu-20 kancane. Mina I try to break down, like mangibukela i-conference eKaizer Chiefs, I try to break down, or mangise-stadium because kwesinye isikhathi nginokuba khona kuma-conference a few. I try to trickle down like and break down ukuthi ucoach bethini overall. Ngisho straight ukuthi ucoach usho into kanje. Kwesinye isikhathi I remember ngikhuluma ngoBatman ukuthi uBatman bafuna ukumsenda ku-DDC team. But abantu ngiyithathe blend i-conference ku-Cedric Keza usho yena ngomlomo wakhe, ayisho ngomunye umuntu azizwanga ngosibanibani, azizwanga ku-social media. Bukelana ama-conference more bafethu. If like you wanna have information everything about i-team, ubukelana ama-conference. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke I mean angiyazi team nje, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikhuluma ne-media njalo. So mayizodlala from 3 to 5 ne bazoba interview e-TV kuphele and then ke bohlala phansi behind closed doors sebakhuluma nama-journalist lapho kuba i-post match conference, and then kuba ne-pre-match conference 2 days or a day before i-match e-Kaizer Chiefs kuba, and then baba nento ekuthiwa ama-media opening day laphana e-Naturen. I wish abantu they can watch that thing more than ukubukela ke i-content yami ukuthi bazolalela straight coach nama-player be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathini, because if mina ngisho enye i-content labantu bazothi uyithatha up lento eshoyo straight from i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then ke ezinye-ke I take something eshiwo i-coach or i-player and then I break it down. Kwesinye isikhathi-ke I'm just responding to what abantu bathini lana. And then ngibona lana ubhoti u-Innocent uthi kimi yazi inkulu labo coach be-Chiefs ba-stubborn, baya-favor uLilepo noModi, bayabhela uLilepo njalo wona ama-moves bese uModi njalo uzifaka ku-traffic. Yazi ngabona uSilva ekora lela goli, uCedric Kaizer wayengajabule neze ngoba ebona ukuthi noma ngithi kwenzeka lento le efunwa abalandeli. Yeah, uCedric bekalwa nama-journalist by the way that day. I wish, that is why ngisho ukuthi abantu I wish babukele lezi zinto more than lezi zinto lezi bona ababonayo or abatshelwe zona. Bazi straight indaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs, not from post or kick off. Bayabuzwa zonke lezi zinto lezi njalo bayabacindezela, bayabapressa kula bona abashisa khona, because ezinye izinto engisho I'm reacting to what they are saying. Ba-stubborn kakhulu abo-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs, uCedric nolo, and I spotted a bit of arrogance by the way kubando coach uKhalil Ben Yusuf, the way aphendula ngakhona ama-journalist. I wish you guys watch that more, but yeah, let's be honest, uLilepo uthola ama-opportunities amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke akawasebenzisi isikhathi esiningi. I don't think khona iplayer ku-Kaizer Chiefs elithola eli-guaranteed ukudlala njengolilepo laphana phambili. Thola ukuthi i-team ayenzi kahle but uLilepo guaranteed. uLilepo angenza okuningi. Abanye baze bathi for uLilepo noModi kumele bafokhase ku-assist-a decision making mina akafokhase ku-assist-a, hhayi ukuthi wavuleka i-space uyashaya. I-Kaizer Chiefs ingenza kahle kakhulu. Nanokuthi uLilepo mina sometimes I struggle to understand as much as he's a good player but i-I_Q yakhe yebhola ikuphi? There is no way ngibheka uModi ubamba ibhola le elayinini phansi. Le elayinini ubamba ibhola uyakhatha ne, ngoba uModi siyamazi u-predictable naye uyakhatha nje uyakhatha ngakhona. uLilepo usamele le, is not even coming to ebhokisini. Umele yedwa le but i-team iya-assist-a. Why angadrophi ebhokisini angene kancane ebhokisini anike uModi ama-options or i-team overall ama-options? Hhayi yena ume yedwa le ngenhla. So akubhekwa umuntu uma ebamba ibhola, sibheka nomuntu off the ball ukuthi i-movement yakhe kanjani. And so many times I watch uLilepo i-team uma i-attack uyohlezi umthola kuleya position leya. He's not dropping, he's not coming inside the box. The only time uLilepo e-assist-a i-team i-attack yazi wenzani? Mephethe ibhola he will play you akunike i-option yokuthi akuvulele ukuthi ubuyisele ibhola kuye. That is how he's involved, he gets involved. But-ke ama-attacker from the other side akanasikhathi uLilepo uyamela, u-stagnant. And ubuze ukuthi okay, the I_Q level yale player leli uzo-contribute-a kangakanani ethimini if akafuni ukuba involved. The only time a-involved the time abamba ibhola kuphela. Okunye kusho ukuthi akasiyi part of i-team. So maningi ama-player angenza kangcono. That is why kune-public outcry kuthiwa akufakwe noveli ebayo. Bazifeyilele abafana if bayafeyila because most of the guys there they've been failing. uLilepo udlala ama-game wonke ngathi ucontribute-a kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, unamagoli awu-3 already this season but masibheka on average ama-performances wakhe uMthetho is way better than uLilepo in terms of ama-performances nama-ratings wakhe uma uwabheka nje overall ukuthi, and this should raise some questions, some form of questions, a team overall ukuthi okay, the team wants to play like this, they want to win games. Wena as an individual, what are you bringing to the team? Kubhekwa ama-game awu-10 adlaliwe ukuthi uLilepo ucontribute kangakanani. Manje ziningi izinto ezingabhekwa but yeah, ngiyawabona ama-comment wenu bafethu and I think uCele uyavuka emaqandeni naye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-bench phela ayidlali. I mean ufike ku-Kaizer Chiefs ne-reputation e-good ukuthi ubuya ku-European football but-ke through ama-performances wakhe or ama-below pair performances and then they drop into the bench. The last game bengikhuluma ngaye futhi isivinini izolo ukuthi ngimbonile he came to the party. The team need more of leyo nto leyo. Defense, I mean, they've done really well. Yabona if kukhona abantu ekumele banconywe laphana i-defense no-goalkeeper, they've done really well. They've made sure ukuthi baya-minimize ama-goal in terms of ukuconsider. But yeah, man, they have a solid team. They can compete for the league. Manje, they can compete for the league with the players they have. But ama-players awangadlaleli wona kuphela. AboModi too predicted, njengoba ubhuti eshilo lana ubhuti u-Innocent ukuthi uModi usifaka ku-traffic yena and then ajike-ke uzojika i-option yakhe njalo uModi usifaka ku-traffic abone ukuthi akanalo aluze ibhola or asifake ku-traffic ajike aphase emuva. Njalo udlala kanjalo uModi or azame ukukhatha but angazi ukuthi akabhiliveli ukuphasa same time makaphethe ibhola or kanjani. Na-32 umuntu, ayikho into ezoshintsha-ke lapho, indoda ena-32. And I wish bathi nimlalela uModi ku-conference futhi. uModi ku-conference uthe yena uyi-hard worker, usebenza kanzima, uthi abantu aba-understand ibhola abayibonayo igame yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi udlala kanjani. Hhayi ngicela ukuyibamba la bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe. Ngizovala lana ngobaba noma ubhuti Stanley Shoba uthi bayayidinga i-experience lapha ubani lo mdlali lona? uLebohang bafowethu Phiri okwakumele ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke bona ne-Kaizer Chiefs they could not find a common ground in terms of i-contract bebazomu-offer yona. Naye waye-expect-e imali le i-Kaizer Chiefs ebone ngathi no, too much and then they pull out of the deal ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Danko bafowethu ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.